The brown tree snake shown here is one of many species that lives in trees and can sharply fold the skin along their sides, and this departure from a simple cylindrical shape motivated our study of how shape affects snake locomotion. This simple experiment shows how the height of a ledge and the shape of an object affect how steep the surface can be before the object topples downward. A given shape topples off the shorter ledge before the taller ledge, and sharper corners on the object also prevent toppling longer as the steepness of the surface increases. To simulate the effects of tree bark with variable roughness, we used smooth cylinders or ones with pegs that ranged from 1 to 40 millimeters high, and the inclines of these cylinders ranged from horizontal to vertical. Boa constrictors have bodies that are stockier and rounder than brown tree snakes. When the pegs were tall, boas and the other species used the lateral undulatory behavior, during which all points along the body simultaneously slide and push against the pegs to propel the animal. During concertina, the snakes periodically stop, bunch up, and squeeze the cylinder to get a grip and then straighten and extend the body forward. Boa constrictors continued to use this behavior even when short pegs were present. Compared to the other species, brown tree snakes performed lateral undulation with shorter pegs, and they were much faster when they did so. All of the species we studied used a variety of concertina behaviors on the steep, smooth surfaces without pegs. The brown tree snakes were rather large, with a length over 4 feet and a diameter more than 1 inch, but the keel along their belly helped them catch on pegs as short as 1 millimeter high, which allowed them to slide along using lateral undulation. Remarkably, the brown tree snakes were able to crawl along the underside of a cylinder, as their ridge-like keels made by folding their belly scales interlocked with the wedge-shaped pegs.